So I've noticed over the last, well, it's been going off and on for a few years now, but especially over the last, it seemed to have really ramped up over the last 6 months. I've done a lot of, just working on myself, working on me and my own crap. And I've noticed that as I've become, I guess you could say more, I don't like the word balance, I like the word harmonized better. And it kind of gives you a little bit more of a wiggle room. Um, I've noticed that my diet has tend to move more into just like, I guess more vegetarian or vegan, like no meat, no, I still eat meat, but it's like I'll eat meat once every few days instead of eating it every day, every meal, that kind of thing. And I've just noticed it's almost like it feels like it's been a natural kind of progression. Does that happen along with the Kundalini?
Yeah, this is a great question. So, I think you're approaching it in such a great way. It's just a natural unfolding as opposed to something that requires sort of militant discipline or a belief system or a dogma or something like that. It's just naturally moving with your body's needs. And this is very common. The Kundalini within, the intelligence within, which is no different than the intelligence of our body, will lead
Hmm.
us to the right foods, the right amounts of foods, the right frequency of foods that we need if we're able to tune in and listen. Easier said than done, but it sounds like you're doing a pretty good job of that. And it's very, very natural. Some may be called to fast and it feels right. It doesn't feel like they're committing to some sort of, you know, diet trend or something. It just naturally,
Right.
they don't feel like eating and it feels uh that there's something deeper moving them because it's on some level, it's this is what I need, not just for my body and my health, but also for my spiritual development. So for
Yeah, it
some,
almost feels like an internal guidance. And
right,
I don't fight with it. I mean, it just kind of feels natural. It's like, oh, I don't feel like eating this. I feel more like eating this. And it's just kind of like it guides me along with that. And I've noticed like I don't eat fried. I haven't eaten that, junk and stuff for years, but I've just noticed that, especially over the last few months, since the beginning of the year, a lot of changes have happened in that, especially I was like, wow, I'm really noticing that I don't eat like that anymore. I really don't. And people are like, well, why not? Are you doing this? I'm like, no, I just don't feel like eating it. It's just, there's no particular reason. Just I feel better when I don't eat it. And I like eating this other stuff. So I don't, it's not a fad or anything. It just feels natural. It feels natural.
perfect. Yeah, this is very inspiring and we can zoom out and speak to the group in general and see that this approach also applies to many other dimensions in life. So also, this is the same thing that moves us through spontaneous kriyas, the spontaneous movements and shaking and whatnot. It's the same intelligence that says, I don't need to go to a yoga class, 5 times a week at this time and do an hour of this or that. It just does it naturally and spontaneously. The movement happens on their own. Even spiritual exploration. Some may be called, maybe as kids, we were told, read these texts every night before bed and study them and memorize them. And it was all this sort of forced type of approach. But naturally, when Kundalini begins to move through us, we feel called to study spiritually. And there's no pressure. It's exciting. It's what we want to do. This is the best way of going about it. Same with something like sexual desire, lust, libido. You don't need to force yourself to change your relationship with your libido. It just kind of naturally takes its own balanced approach and unfolds on its own. And this is the great benefit of this process. Many of us, a lot of our areas of imbalance in our lives just naturally come into balance on their own. We naturally are no longer interested in certain things that are unhealthy. We naturally move towards things that are healthy. Not for everybody. Some of us still deal with addictions and whatnot, but in general, it goes to show that there is this intelligence within us, Shakti, the Divine Mother, Kundalini, and it's if we relax into it, and it seems like you've done a great job of that. It can really guide us through life very efficiently. So this is a great share and topic, Teresa. Thank you.